In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, open your keyboard. Now to use voice typing, you need two things. First, suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard, and second, microphone icon at the top right corner. If you don't have one or the other, or both of them, you need to exit your keyboard and go into Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll all the way down. Now tap on System and Updates, Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Over here, click on Text Correction and make sure this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip is blue. Then go back, click on Voice Typing and use this switcher next to Use Voice Typing to activate it. When both of your switchers are blue, you can exit those settings and go back to your keyboard. As you can see now, I have both my suggestion strip and little microphone icon. To use voice typing, click on microphone at the top right corner, and if you never used it before, choose while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. You can also tap on this microphone and select little icon right next to it. Then use voice typing from this bar. You can hold it and move it around to place it wherever you want to. After finding perfect place for it, you can delete text on the go thanks to this button with an X. You can access all settings available from this mode by tapping on those two lines on the left and operating all of those. And to go back to standard keyboard, use this keyboard icon also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!